Good morning everyone. So for today's video, we are going to discuss all about derivatives. So what is derivatives? What is how to find derivatives and everything. Okay. So derivatives of a function is function f is a new function f of 1x. First derivative is the slope of the tangent line wherein for each x in the domain of f of 1 is the slope tangent to the graph of f at the point f of x. Second derivative is an instantaneous rate of change. It states that for hx in the domain of f1 is the instantaneous rate of change y equals f of x with respect to x. So, it stated that the derivatives of function or the first derivative is the slope of the tangent line. So, it is the slope of tangent line. Okay? So, we have some definition here. So differentiation, so when you say differentiation, it is the process of getting the derivatives of a function. So when you're asked by your teacher what is the process of getting the derivatives of a function, so the answer would be differentiation. So increment method is the four-step rule for finding the derivative. So it is, what is the four-step rule in finding the derivative? So it is the increment method. Okay? So for example, so find the derivative of f of x equals 5x plus 3. So in this case, we all know that we have a imaginary one here. We have imaginary one exponent at x, right? So we're going to multiply it by the constant 5. Okay, so 1 times 5, so we have 5, and then the x would be cancelled because there's no more exponent because we multiply by 5. And when we say find the derivatives of a constant without a variable, so it is automatic 0. So it is automatic cancel. Okay? So in this equation, the derivative of 5x plus 3 would be 5. Then second, so find the derivative of f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2. So the same process, we're going to multiply the exponent by the constant, the exponent of the exponent, which is 3, by the constant 1. So 3 times 1 would be 3, and we're going to minus 1 here in example 1. So 1, so why it is going to 0? Because there's no more number to be subtracted by 1. So 0, so it automatic 0. And then in this in the second equation, so 3 times 1, 3. So 3 minus 1, so 2. So we have 3x squared, and then 2 in the second term. 2 times 3, so we have 6. Then 2 minus 1, so we have 1. So that's why we have x here. So 3x squared plus 6x. Then we have to cancel 2. So the answer in the equation number 2 would be, or the problem number 2, 3x squared plus 6x. So again, in this equation, to find the derivatives of f of x, 3 times 3x to the 4th power plus 6x cubed minus 6 squared plus 2x plus 9. So we have 4 times 3, so we have 12. 4 minus 1, so we have 3. We have 3, so 12x squared. The next term, 6 times 3, so we have 18. 3 minus 1, so 2, so 18x squared. Then 2 minus negative 1, so negative 2. 2 minus 1, so 2. Cancel. Then 2. Here we have 2. Okay? So the answer would be 12x cubed plus 18x squared minus 2x plus 2. We are going to cancel the 9. Okay? We're going to cancel the 9. Next, 10x cubed plus 30x squared plus 4x. So 3 times 10, so we have 30. Then 3 minus 1, so 2 plus 30 times 2, so we have 62 minus 1, so we have x. Then 1 times 4, so we have 4. So we have the final answer of 3x squared plus 60x plus 4. So that is the basic equation or basic rule in finding the derivative. So thank you.